Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Labelle, Quebec, is a charming town located in the heart of the Laurentians, about 150 kilometers north of Montreal. This picturesque community is nestled between stunning mountains and lakes, offering visitors a peaceful escape into nature. Labelle is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering activities like cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, snowmobiling, fishing, canoeing, and hiking. Whether you're here in the summer to enjoy the beautiful landscapes, or in the winter for some snow fun, Labelle has something to offer year-round. Labelle's history is closely tied to the efforts of Cure Antoine Labelle, who played a crucial role in its development. In the late 1800s, many French Canadians were leaving Quebec for the United States, and Labelle worked tirelessly to encourage families to move north and settle in this region. The town grew with the establishment of agriculture and timber industries, with many settlers working on land clearing, logging, and driving logs down the rivers. A significant landmark from this early period is the Maison Cloutier, a beautifully preserved home dating back to the late 1800s, which remains a local attraction. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Labelle, Quebec.